to take another journey. We are happy that after 40 years, you will reap what you sow and that the fruits of your labor are already ripe and to be harvested. Gusto niyo bang sumabay? Sabayan niyo po ang ating mga trouble dancers. Yan ang ating budget officer. Hindi lang siya sa pera magaling. Magaling din siyang sumayaw. Okay, may kasama pa sila. Okay.